Do you know why I called you here, Dingy?
No. You're gonna look for something with your partner.
Huh? Partner? We're here. But we came here for one reason.
I know, Aki. But what do I get for this?
A Lunchable.
Let me think about this.
Okay.
No. Scary.
Hey, guy.
Now, why did you have
me?
me?
What about
you?
We didn't find the person he's looking for.
I guess you're not getting that Lunchable.
You're telling me I did all that work for nothing?
Does anyone know is that guy over there?
Listen, we don't...
Howard, we gotta do something.
No way, I got knocked out. What was I doing this for again? Nah, that wasn't it.
I suddenly remember now.
Makiba, Pushta, and that Lunchable Aki owes me.
You gotta be that easy.
Wait, you're telling me you're doing this all for a Lunchable?
Oh, yeah.
You're doing
Good thing I don't have to deal with one of those anymore.